Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a practice drawing tutorial in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Here take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Okay. Now here take the circle command. From the center point, make one circle of diameter 14, enter. From same center, make another dia 28.5. Okay. Now here go to circle command. Here you will see one command ellipse. Okay, select this, make one ellipse here, go to dimension, select the center and select this end, or escape, go to dimension, select this and it will take a vertical dimension. It will be 12.5. Now select this and drag horizontally. Take this dimension as 5 mm. Okay. Now here go to line command. From this center make a straight line, enter, and from here also make one line, escape. Now go to dimension, define this straight length 12.5, define this also 12.5. Okay, and escape. Okay, now go to dimension, select this line, select the center, define this distance 12 mm. Okay, now here escape. I will drag this upside. Okay, so this will be visible properly. Here you can see a movement is here. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point, select this. Now these both lines are constrained. Escape. Now go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point, select here, make one arc. Similarly select here and select here, make another arc. Go to tangent constraint, select this, select this, select this arc, select this circle, select this arc, select the circle, select line and select arc. Okay. Now here this is defined. Now go to dimension, select the center and select the center. Now we will define the vertical dimension 62.5 distance. Okay. Now this is fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch and here go to extrude, select complete profile, flip the direction. Okay, and take a distance of 6 mm. Okay, and press OK. Go to sketch 1, right click, turn on the visibility, and here go to extrude command once again. Select this profile only. Okay, and here give distance 114 mm. So it will extrude it up to 114 and press OK. Now here select sketch 1, turn off the visibility. Now go to plane, just click on plane, select this face and select this face. So it will generate a mid plane for this profile. Okay, go to mirror command, select this profile, go to mirror plane and select this. Okay, same profile is been generated here. Now here go to the fillet command, select this face and select this face. Take a radius of 1 mm and apply. Now change the radius to 2 mm. Okay, and here select this and select this. Okay, now select here. Now this hole is been left over. Okay, so you can do it one thing, double click extrude 1 and here click on profile, press shift and unselect this and OK. So it will open the whole profile. Okay, Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now we will make the pattern design. Go to origin, select the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Take here the circle command, center point circle. Make one circle here of diameter 24, and here go to project geometry, project this top end. Okay, go to dimension, select this end, select the center, define the distance here of 31 mm. Now from this face, select the center, define this distance as 19 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, flip the direction, and here we will change it to cut. So this will cut a profile here. Press OK, rotate the profile. Okay, now we will place it like this to make the best of view. Okay, so we will click here. Now here select this face and click on fillet, and here okay, again go to the fillet, take radius 3 mm first, select this edge. Now here you can see this edge been done. Okay, now we'll pattern this profile. Go to rectangular pattern, select extrude 3, fillet 3, and here sorry we have taken the mirror. Rectangular pattern, select extrude 3, fillet 3, direction 1, and here we will select the axis. We will select Z axis, and here take count of 4 and the center to center distance of 25, and flip the direction. Press OK. The profile is been generated. Now here I'll change the appearance. I'll take semi polished. So I'll take semi polished. Okay. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.